Previously on CountryBoyModz. What's going on, y'all? So pretty much, man, it's just a little update video. So I caught myself coming out here trying to at least straighten out the edges a little bit the best I can on the Altima. But also I want to talk to y'all about what's coming up next. So first off, I'm gonna show y'all the imperfections that I have on this little job here. As you can see right there, the cut isn't the best. It's not the best at all, but like I said, it is peelable, and that's the best I can do. I did end up scratching my bumper a little bit, so don't make that mistake that I did. As you can see, I scratched the bumper up a little bit. Do need to continue to get stuff off of here, which everything can come off. It just need to be cleaned up. So that's the best thing about it. So as we continue over, these are all the imperfections. Like I said, I can come around and trim it up some more, make it look even. But as you can see right here, remember I did this at night, so that's messed up. So what I'm probably gonna do this weekend is take the entire bumper off and redo this entire thing. I might just peel this off, redo it, make it look real good, but I don't know if I want to redo it. But these lights are definitely coming out once I take the bump off. Take the bump off, get these lights out. See on the side here where the cuts got messed up, I do need to get that overspray from down there. So like I said, if y'all can run into this issue, I'm here, I've done it, so it all can be fixed. And here's the driver's side. As you see, I might, like somebody mentioned in the comments on the last video, that I should have used knifeless tape. And that's what I'm gonna use when I do the rest of these projects, especially dealing with plastic dip. And so as you can see over here, now let me explain this little 4-dot thing I got going on. I know y'all saw it on the other side over there, but let me explain it. So pretty much, I thought it would be cool to give it another design or whatever, you know, make it look like it got little LEDs right there, even though it's Lasfit LEDs behind it. So I thought about just putting that 4-dot just for the fun of it. But here's all the cuts, the edges. It's not too bad. Even in here, like I know my stuff ain't perfect, I'm not looking for perfect. So that's the biggest thing. If you're trying to be perfect, I don't know what to tell you. But overall, man, it came out looking good. The next thing that I'm looking at doing is here on the rim. I'm actually thinking about putting a trim around the rim this weekend. If the weather hold up right, I want to do that. That's part of the look that I'm going for with the car. So y'all be looking out for that video. Also thinking about either wrapping or painting the calipers. Probably gonna paint the calipers 9 times out of 10. So as we go on down, I do need to put some more Gorilla Tape here. And on the bottom, let's see if I can get y'all under there. On the bottom here, as you can see, I need to get that situated. I need to put another screw in and more Gorilla Tape and get all that situated. Where you see that little exit where the tape was down there, that's where the screw kept coming out at. As far as that, I do need to get some more stuff to put on here, but this, I mean, it's holding up great. But if you look at it, coming up a little bit on the edge right there. You go all the way around, and it's looking pretty much the same way. But it's been holding up. It ain't flew off over 100 miles per hour, so that's a good thing. I mean, it's actually on here. This wing is on here, big time. And for right now, that's pretty much it. That is what's gonna be happening. So, oh, and also I'm gonna be doing something with the headlights. Officially haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna do it. It's part of that markup project that I'll mark up on the iPhone. But yeah, so that's pretty much what's left. Once that's done, then we'll start making our way to the interior here. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.